In this video, I'll show you how to restore the missing product titles on collection pages in Shopify Horizon theme. As you can see in this example, I'm currently in my sale collection, and just under every single product card, the titles are missing. But if I open the actual product, the title will be displayed on the product page without any issues right here. So to fix this problem, first we'll log into Shopify admin account. Once you're in Shopify dashboard, on the left side of the screen, under Sales Channels, click on the Online Store. Then look for Horizon theme, in my case it's version 3.5.1, then select Edit Theme. Once the theme editor loads, at the very top, click on Drop Down, then select Collections, Default Collection. On the left side of the screen, under Template, expand Collection. Then under Product Card, click on the Add Block. Make sure the Blocks tab is selected and scroll a bit down. Under Product, click on Title. As you can see, the title is displayed above the product image. Let's move it underneath, right here. And finally, on the right side of the screen, you'll find additional title settings. As in my case, I'll change the layout width to fill. For the max width and alignment, we'll just keep it at default. And lastly, let me add more top padding. Let's add 4 pixels, then save the changes. Once the changes are saved, allow a few minutes for them to update. Then go back to your website and try opening one of the collections. And as you can see, the titles are now displayed under every single product card. So for now, that's all for this video. Hope you found it useful. And for more Shopify tutorials, please comment my channel. Thank you.